assistant for my girls who love to do the baking here. And today we wanted to show you our homemade granola recipe that we all love, and now we are going to consistently offer it as something that our customers can order on Saturdays at Heartway Farms. So let's get started. All right, Elise, what do we have?
So first we start with the dry oats.
All right, we start with our 4 cups of oats. All right, Elise, what do we do first? What do we do next here?
Next we put in the dry almonds.
These are our sliced almonds.
Dry sliced almonds.
Okay. What would be next?
And then we put in our fresh craisins.
Your dried cranberries. You can get sugar-free ones that don't have anything added on Amazon.
And then we'll do the brown sugar. I mean, not brown sugar.
That's okay. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Good job. Get that all out of there. There you go.
Then we will do our dried coconut.
We like to buy the organic dried coconut, and actually Walmart carries it for pretty inexpensive, and it's organic, so it doesn't have any preservatives or sweeteners in it.
Then we will put in our organic sugar.
It's organic cane sugar. Okay, what's next?
Then we will put in our salt.
Sea salt. Mix that around in there. All right, what's next here?
Then we will put in our brown sugar.
It's organic brown sugar.
And then
That's our homemade vanilla.
our homemade vanilla.
Okay, go ahead and stir it up real good. Go ahead. Give it a real good stir. What you want to do is get that, whatever fat you have in your granola, which for us is coconut oil and honey, we're going to be adding that at the end to coat everything so that it toasts up real nice in the oven. So this has 1/3 of a cup of our coconut oil, our organic coconut oil, and then 1/3 of a cup of our raw honey that we have here at Heartway Farms. And as Elise stirs, I'm just going to pour this in for you, babe, while you keep going, okay? There we go. And Elise, the reason why Elise is here today doing the video is because she is going to start taking over preparing our granola on Saturdays when people order and do pickups. Here, can I give you a help?
Beautiful.
It does look beautiful. All right, Marie, you want to come look at it? How can it not be beautiful with all that good stuff in there? So we're going to give it a real good mixing. If you don't get the oats coated, they will not toast up for you, and then it doesn't work real good. So,
Can I pour it?
yeah, as long as you can keep it on the pan. We're almost there. So what you want to be doing before you make all this is preheat your oven to 300 degrees. All right, I think we're probably pretty good. All right, you're going to put it on a nice big baking sheet. Just lay it all in one pile, and then we're going to spread it with our wood spoon. Okay, you take that, just flatten it out. Okay, and as she flattens it, like I said, you're going to preheat your oven to 300, and it's going to bake for 30 minutes, and every 10 minutes of that baking, you're going to take a wood spoon or whatever and mix it around and scoop it around and spread it around so that it toasts evenly. And then the trick is, at the end of that 30 minutes, even if it doesn't look like it's done, you still need to take it out because it'll continue to toast on the pan for another 10 to 15 minutes. And so a lot of people burn their granola. We have done it ourselves because it doesn't look done, but you still got to take it out. So we're going to pop this in the oven and we'll be right back.
Granola is all done. It looks gorgeous.
It does look gorgeous. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's done, nice and crunchy and golden brown, and it's really good. Some kids are already eating it. It doesn't last long in our house because we usually do this and try to avoid some of the store-bought cereals. So because those are full of garbage. So if you would like to order this, let us know soon for this upcoming weekend. The girls are also offering Marie's, Madeline's, Julianne's macaroons,
And cream puffs.
Meringues. I mean,
And
it's amazing we are not all extremely fat. All right, so I think we're doing pretty good.
And it's only for $9.
Yes. So thank you for joining us today, and we'll talk to you soon.